Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is doing good. I am also fine here. Today at Thaaz Passion, let's prepare a dessert, mango dessert. So, let us see what we are going to prepare. Mango pudding. For this, what all you need? Let's check out the ingredients. For this, I am taking 2 mangoes. Let's chop this and keep it aside. Only with few ingredients I am going to prepare this pudding. So we need 10 grams of chinagrass for this. First we need to melt this chinagrass with 1/4 cup of water. Now it's melted. This is the consistency. So let's prepare the pudding. Add the mangoes into the blender. As you have seen, I have taken 2 mangoes. In this, 1.5 piece of mangoes will go into the blender. Half of the mango we need for decorations. Now adding the melted chinagrass. Small tin of condensed milk. For this I am adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you want to avoid the sugar, you can use big tin of condensed milk. Adding 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of mango essence. I am using 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is optional. Now let's blend this into a fine paste. This is the right consistency. Now let's pour this into a serving dish. Garnishing, I am using chopped mangoes, raisins, almonds and dates. First add half of the garnishing mix into the pudding. Insert this mixture inside the pudding by using spoon or knife. Now garnish the pudding with the leftover ingredients. Let's keep this pudding in the refrigerator for about 2 hours so it will get set. Hope you like this video. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the bell icon for the next video updates and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.